How to check which graphics card you have on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's get started. The first method is simply using Device Manager. Right click on the Start button, and from here you need to simply select Device Manager. Now a new window appears on your screen where you need to locate the option of Display Adapters. Simply double click to see the list of graphics card installed. And here you can easily see Intel RUSD Graphics 620. That means this is the graphic card that I have on my Windows 11. So this is just an example. You might have different display adapters as well. The next method is simply using the taskbar. You need to simply open taskbar on your device. For that, again right click on the Start button and select Task Manager, or you can easily search for it using the search icon. And in this menu, you simply need to navigate to Performance tab. For that, you can click on this three-line menu icon at top left and select Performance. And here you can easily find out GPU. On here, you can easily click on each GPU to view detailed information like name and uses of your graphic card. And here we can see that we have Intel USD Graphics 620 graphics cards on my Windows 11. So these are the two ways to check which graphics card you have on Windows 11. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.